Okay, so we're getting ready to make our breakfast. We got our eggs. That's a nice 4 eggs plus the little bonus one that we had left over from doing our egg wash. We're just going to beat that together with a pinch of salt. Good luck for us all. A little tiny bit of pepper. Now, if you want to use your beater on that, you go ahead and feel welcome to use your beater. I like to use a fork because that's how I do. Now, let's see what we want on our frittata. How about, I don't know, maybe a couple of mushrooms? Maybe a few of these delicious green onions. Sounds good to me. Maybe some tomatoes. Yum! I'm gonna fill 4 of these, and this is a jumbo cupcake holder. It's a jumbo cupcakes. You can use the regular size one if that's what you have. You be you. I'm gonna try to divide it up as evenly as I can. Whoa, I put way too much in that one. I'm gonna have to get some of that out of that one. Let me get a spoon. I galooped it. Gloop. Just throw that over here to this side. Till they're all about even. Make sure they're all about the same. There you go. That's the same. I don't know if you can see that. Ooh, not really. Okay. But they're all the same. I'm going to throw in some tomatoes. A couple tomatoes in each of them. I've sliced these little mini tomatoes in half. I'm going to throw in some mushroom bits. A little bit of mushroom for those who like it. And on top, we're going to sprinkle some onion. Onion! Now, our oven has about 12 minutes left until our lunch things are done. It's 4:25. Then you can follow your package directions for your pizza crust for your lunch. If it says that it's, 4:25 for 15 minutes, then just do that, okay? Follow their directions, and you can check it. I mean, that's the easiest way to figure out what's going on with your food. Look at it. Don't be afraid. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pop these in, and we'll see if 12 minutes should be just about right for these to be done too. But I'm going to keep an eye on it, and I'll let you know. Okay, now we've pulled our little frittatas out. I'm going to plop a piece of cheese on this bagel. This is going to be your delicious breakfast for tomorrow. Oh, look at that. Now you tell me, you really want to go to McDonald's? This did not cost that much, and yet it's lovely. I hope you really enjoyed your day today, spending it with me, cooking in the kitchen with Mama. Everyone loves to cook in the kitchen with Mama. This has been Tubed and Tashi, and this has been Tashi's Treats. I hope you have a wonderful day. Be a blessing, be blessed, and come back safely to me.